Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to explain how can you get rid of an onion smell from your hands. How can you get rid of onion smell from your hands? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. I know many of you will hate the onion smell maybe after cutting onion, and it is very disgusting. So in this video I'm going to explain the ways in which you can get rid of an onion smell. The first way that you can use toothpaste, any toothpaste, either be Colgate or Whitehead, but as for me, I have Colgate. So yeah, you're going to keep it to the palm a little. After that, you're going to rub against your palms for at least for about 1 minute. Then after that, you're going to wash it. So by doing this, you're going to get rid of an onion smell. So after that, when you smell your hands, they won't have onion smell again. So this is the first way. The second way that they say that you are going to rinse your hands with water if they are dry. You're going to rinse your hands a little bit, and then after that you're going to rub against a stainless steel. Maybe for example I'm going to rub against this one here for about 1 minute, or if you have a spoon you can use a spoon for about, you're going to rub this one for about 1 minute. By doing this, that onion smell will be neutralized, so it won't smell there. It won't smell again. After rubbing for about 1 minute, after that you're going to wash your hands. So when you wash your hands like this, if you smell your hands, they won't smell again. They won't have onion smell again. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.